Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I am here to share an idea of making shaped dominoes using scissors, pencil, crayons and a sheet of paper. Take the sheet of paper in this form. Crease it like this. Fold it into half. Fold one more last fold. Now when you open this sheet, you'll be able to see many rectangles. Cut these rectangles using the scissors. Once we cut all the rectangles, draw a line in between in all the rectangles to have two boxes in each domino card. Now let's draw the shapes in each domino card like how it is drawn over here. Remember, the first shape in the first card has to be repeated in the last card at the end, and each shape we will have to draw twice, that is 2 times. Like a square over here, I have repeated the square over here. Triangle, triangle, circle, circle, diamond, diamond, rectangle, rectangle, heart, heart, crescent moon, star, star. Once you draw all the shapes, use your crayons to color the shapes. Next, your card is ready. Now let's pick the cards randomly to play the game. Are you ready to play the game? Now, keep the cards to a side. Start with the first card. We have star and square. Now you will have to pick another square and place it next to it. Now we'll have to look for the triangle. Take the triangle, place it next to it. Now, yes, we'll have to look for circle. Next we'll have to look for correct diamond. Now we'll have to look for rectangle. Now we'll have to look for heart. Okay, let me keep it like this. Now we'll have to look for crescent moon and star and star. So that is dominoes game, and this is shaped dominoes. You can play this game by making these cards using numbers, using alphabets, using colors. Hope you enjoyed the game. Happy vacations. Stay indoors. Stay safe. Bye.